Hey guys, part 2, the 420cc Motovox build. I got the steel plates in for the engine plate, and then for the rear tabs. This is like a 15 by 11 or something, and then this is like a 3 by 4. I made a little cutout. Just a cardboard. And then I have this sit like this. Like that. So the bottom is pretty close to the bottom tubing. Just like that. I see people who have the tubes, the tabs at the bottom like this, but I just prefer to have it this way. So I'm gonna cut this up, do little indentations over here so it would line up with the frame. I already got it cut out, so I'm gonna just trace it onto here and then cut it. I'm gonna take a Sharpie, go over the bottom of it so it gives me exactly where to cut, so this isn't just a flat square, it'll actually line up with the frame on the tubes on the bottom. So get that lined up. I'm gonna leave a good inch of gap right here, because if I push it all the way forward, there's a gap under the frame and I can't weld that. So I'll push it back a little bit so it's flat with the tubes, and then I can weld it that way. I'm gonna put this on and I'll show you guys what it'll look like. Alright, here's a mock-up of the bike. I think it looks great. The only problem I had was getting the vent to clear the frame, so I just pushed the motor forward a little bit so I could have just a vent line coming out here to the catch can. And this is where the tabs are gonna go, just like that. So straight with the bottom tube, like I said. Here's my plate, 3/16. Just mock it up, cut it up, be good to go. Oh, I got a split sprocket adapter, split sprocket. Let me show you guys my pipe. This was short. I don't know if you guys seen the first video, but look at those welds. Right? And I compare that to this. Shit. That's garbage. But this is my first time ever touching a welder. So, this is bigger diameter. So this piece on the right was bigger diameter than the one on the left. So I slid it over it, and then I welded. I welded a first layer, then I took a grinder to it, and then I welded again. So it's super tough. Looks like shit, but it holds. Now I'm worried about doing a frame because I don't want to kill myself and have the tabs fall off for the wheel. But it is what it is. And I'm just using a cheap welder from Harbor Freight. So wish me luck.